Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a physics exam in one night. First, identify the core concepts and formulas that are most frequently tested. Next, quickly review past exam questions to understand the types of problems you might face. Concentrate your efforts on topics that carry the most marks, ensuring you cover the essentials efficiently. This focused approach will help you make the most of your limited study time. To study effectively, use active recall by testing yourself on definitions and principles without looking at your notes. Practice solving typical problems step by step, focusing on the method rather than just the answer. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud to yourself or an imaginary audience. This helps clarify your thoughts and reveals any gaps in your understanding. These techniques boost retention significantly. To maximize your retention, summarize the main points of each section in your own words. This active processing helps embed the information. Take short, frequent breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Most importantly, ensure you get at least 6 hours of quality sleep before the exam. Rest is crucial for memory consolidation and clear thinking. On exam day, arrive early and try to stay calm. Take a few deep breaths to settle your nerves. Read all questions carefully, sometimes twice, to fully understand what is being asked before you begin writing. Manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each question. Remember to stay hydrated during your exam. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Good luck with your physics exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.